Hi, me again. This video is to help you navigate the course a little bit better and learn how to access some of the resources that I'm making available to you. This page should look familiar to you, and as you know, you can click here below to advance to the course modules. As an alternative way to get there, you can also click here on the left-hand side. Any of these areas are links that will allow you to advance to different pages. So I'm going to click on modules here to show you that that's another way to get to the module page. Right now you've accessed the welcome letter from your instructor, as you should have, and that's where you're watching this video. Now once you finish reading this and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find a little button there at the bottom that says Next. You click on that and it'll advance to the next page. You can also go back on the previous button if you want to go back. This is the syllabus, the course syllabus. Now, what's a syllabus? A syllabus, how I like to explain it to students is it explains the terms of the class. You could call it a contract, if you will. No one's going to sign it, but it's kind of like a contract. I do my part, you do your part, and together we learn what's available in the course. So as you can imagine, it's extremely important. And so I advise everyone to download and print this syllabus and keep it handy. You can refer to it for important information in the course, like the grading policy, deadlines, contact information. We'll also refer to it quite a bit in class. But in order to download it, if you're not familiar with that, if you scroll right over the top of this part, you can see how that little underlining area shows up. And if you click on that, it's gonna magically show up here at the bottom. And if I click on it there, then it will actually show up, and you can see that this is the course outline, and you can print it off if you wish. I also want to make sure that you read it carefully. You'll need to have read it through and have it handy to complete the quiz at the end of the introductory module. When you're done with that, you can advance to the next page. There'll be a couple more pages here that you'll need to go through. Take your time. Just watch it, take notes on it, watch them again if you wish. And again, if you continue to scroll down, you'll find the next button, or you can go backwards to the previous button if you felt like you missed something or want to review it again. You'll finally find yourself towards the end of the introductory module as a place to introduce yourself. And I've made it easy on you, so you can just answer these questions here. You'll click on Reply, and then you'll answer those questions. Now this is a good place for me to get to know you better, and for you to get to know some of your classmates better. So once you're finished answering all these questions, I want you to take time to read some of the other posts and respond to at least one more student. Say hi, introduce yourself. So we're all in this together, and this is a good opportunity for us to get familiar with the discussion board and also to get to know each other better. When you're done with that, you can continue to advance to the next page. And the next page is going to be the syllabus quiz. The syllabus quiz is timed, and you do need to get a 75% or better to pass. If you don't pass it for some reason, that's okay. You can go back and review the syllabus, some information in the introductory module, and retake it as many times as you like, but you do need to get a 75% for it to be complete. It is a graded quiz, and I believe it will help you be much more successful in this course because you'll understand some very basic information. Now, again, you can navigate over here. Now, this page right here, you won't be able to see everything that I'm seeing right now. You will only see a few of these links, as you saw before. But if I click on modules, I'm going to go back to the modules, and you can see all the information that's covered in the introductory module. You're also going to see some course resources that I won't get into right now. These are resources that I may use in class, or I may refer you to later on. Videos, PowerPoints, things you may want to have access to later on. But what I want to refer you to now is Module 1, where we have the information that we'll actually be studying and learning. Each module will start off with a introductory page where it will show you the objective or the goal of the module. In this case, Module 1 is identify the causes and effects of the African slave trade in North America. And it's got a map there for you to refer to and look at, investigate. We will refer to this in class. There's actually quite a bit of information there. And every introductory module begins this way. Again, you'll find the navigation buttons at the bottom, and you can go to the next page. After that introductory page, you're going to find the texts that we will use in that module. Again, you can download and print. If I click on this right here, it will once again download the text, and I'll be able to print it off. As you can see, there's not so many pages here, but these are the articles that we will be assigned to read and discuss in class. We will also use them to write our extended responses. There's going to be other resources in these modules as well. And again, you can always navigate back to the modules if you're more comfortable doing it that way. Sometimes it's a lot faster. Anyway, I hope this video is helpful to you. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, email me, or ask in class.